Example number 6, the DISC method. Find the volume of the solid obtained by rotating the region enclosed by the graph of y equals 24 minus x, which is the blue line, y equals 3x minus 8, which is the red line, and y equals 0, which is the y-axis, and we rotate it about the y-axis. So as you can see, if we set up the integral, okay, so the radius is from the axis of rotation, so the y-axis, to the graph. And as we go to moving up, the radius change to a different function. And the idea of the DISC method is you have a lot of circle, and we call it the DISC, and we integrate it over the height. So it's really the base times height. So the base is a circle, so it's pi r square times the height, which is dy in this case, because the axis of rotation is the y-axis, and we add it up. Okay, remember the integral is a Riemann sum, so we add up the volume of all the discs to get the volume. So to set it up, okay, so we first look at the region from -8 to 16. The radius is from the y-axis to the function y equal 3x minus 8. So we need to solve for x, and x is y plus 8 divided by 3. So that's a radius, okay? So it's pi r squared dy. So that's the first integral. And the second part of the volume is we integrate from 16 to 24, okay, because these two functions intersect at y equals 16 right here. And then the radius is on the y function, so it's pi times 24 subtract y, because we solve for x square, and then dy. So we factor out a constant, we get pi over 9 integral from -8 to 16 y plus 8 dy, y plus 8 squared dy. And this is a very simple integral. You can use substitution, or you can just simply write out as, okay, y plus 8, so power rule to the third power divided by 3, and you evaluate from -8 to 16. The second integral, similar, is, okay, 16 to 24, and is 24 minus y, or y minus 24 is the same because it's in a square. So we keep it this way, we get negative pi 24 minus y to the third power divided by 3, and you evaluate from 16 to 24. And this, if you use a calculator for the evaluation, the exact answer will come out to be 8,192 pi over 3. But Affinity also accept numerical answer. So you can write down as 2,192 144.66. It will accept both answers.